Take time to give yourself credit for the hard work that you have done. Take time to do some retrospection in terms of what you have managed to do. All of the small and the big achievements. Whether it was sending out letters on time at the post, or managing to prepare a healthy meal ahead of work for lunch later on, or setting up a business and pursuing your dream work, whatever it is. Even if it doesn't matter so much to other people, but it really matters to you, it is still very important and valid. No matter how big or small, take some time to write down or think about what positive things you have achieved in the last year or month, for example. You'll probably start to notice how many of those things start appearing on your list. There are probably many more than you expected. Congratulate yourself for all that you have done. Appreciate your own hard work, determination, and that you attended to your needs and succeeded. I'm a personal life and a business coach. Follow for more.